Daily journal entry. Easily document daily observations and track the progress of therapy sessions with the Daily Journal Entry feature in the Session Mate Caregiver app. This feature ensures caregivers can maintain detailed records for better care planning. Tap Daily Journal Entry on the home screen. Select the child from the drop-down menu and press Confirm to proceed. Choose from predefined responses or write a custom note for child's gut health. Select an emotion icon that reflects the child's health. Tap Next to proceed. Instruction following. Record observations on the child's ability to follow instructions. Choose from predefined responses or write a custom note. Select an emotion icons and tap Next. Intent to communicate. Enter observations in the text box or choose from predefined responses. Select the corresponding emotion icon and tap Next. Choose from predefined responses or write a custom note for child sensory issues. Choose the matching emotion icon and tap Next. Record any instances of meltdowns and their causes. Example, denial to complete an activity, etc., or write custom note. Choose matching emotion icon and tap Next to proceed. If you wish to securely share a video clip with your therapist, you can do so by recording one or uploading from gallery. This clip should not be more than 10 seconds long, and a view link is shared with the therapist or practitioner on their device, which allows them to view the clip only once. The video cannot be downloaded or stored anywhere, and once it is viewed, the link expires, and unless it is shared again, cannot be viewed by anyone. This way, the caregiver can share pressing concerns and behaviors with specialists and seek a prompt response using Session Mate. Tap Select from Gallery or Record using Camera. Once the clip is selected or recorded, tap Submit. Trend Analysis and Journal Insights. The Journaling for Caregivers section in the Session Mate Caregiver app empowers caregivers to monitor, review, and reflect on a child's emotional and behavioral patterns. It includes two key features. Trend Analysis helps visualize long-term emotional and behavioral trends. Journal Insights provides a daily summary of recorded caregiver observations and emotional states. These features offer both snapshot and timeline views, helping caregivers and therapists make informed decisions. Tap the Journal tab from the bottom navigation bar. On the Journaling for Caregiver screen, you will see two options: Trend Analysis and Journal Insights. Journal Insights. Tap on Journal Insights. A Select Child pop-up will appear. Choose the child's name and tap Confirm. On the next screen, tap Select Date to choose the date for which you want to view insights. The screen will display individual cards for each aspect, including gut health, instruction following, intent to communicate, sensory issues, and meltdown. Each card contains observation notes and an overall emotion. This allows caregivers to quickly understand the child's emotional state and behavioral responses for the selected day. Then tap on Trend Analysis. A Select Child pop-up will appear. Choose the child's name and tap Confirm. On the Trend Analysis screen, use the Aspect to Analyze drop-down to select an area such as gut health, instruction following, intent to communicate, sensory issues, or meltdown. Tap Select Date Range to define the time frame for analysis, then tap Save. A line graph appears showing emotional trends for the selected aspect over the chosen date range. This helps in understanding how a child's emotional or behavioral status evolves over time, allowing for better caregiving strategies and informed therapist discussions.